you're here at Ballas Place in Creve Coeur, Missouri, the original Westinghouse is still here. Go ahead and call it down. I was worried this thing would have gotten a mod because I believe they did some renovations on this building.
Is that also another elevator on the other side over there?
Nope, this is it.
Oh, okay. Don't let that other wall fool y'all. We'll sit it up and watch it go up.
Alright. Oh, look at the oil just dripping down the piston. There, look at that. Oil is just dripping down it.
Oil's dripping down there?
Yep. Alright, well, that's it.
That's it.